The evolution of washing machines, 1770s to 2026 plus. In the 1770s, when people washed clothes completely by hand in rivers and tubs. In 1782, the washboard made scrubbing clothes faster and easier. In 1797, the hand crank washer introduced mechanical washing powered by human effort. In the early 1800s, clothes wringers helped remove excess water from wet clothes. In the 1820s, wooden barrel washers improved the washing process with rotating drums. During the 1840s, rotary washers reduced manual labor through improved movement. In 1851, the manual piston washer provided stronger agitation for better cleaning. By 1865, wooden drum washers became more durable and efficient. In 1874, rolling wringer washers squeezed water out more effectively. During the 1880s, steam-powered washers introduced a new level of mechanical power. In the 1890s, electric agitation washers marked the beginning of electric laundry. In 1900, one of the first electric washing machines entered the market. In 1905, Alva J. Fisher's design helped popularize electric washing machines. During the 1910s, round tub washers improved water circulation. In 1915, the Rinso washing machine became a well-known household product. The 1920s introduced electric wringer washers for easier laundry work. In 1927, the Thor Model 528 became a famous electric washer of its time. During the 1930s, steel drums replaced wood for greater durability. In 1937, Bendix introduced one of the first automatic home washers. The 1940s brought larger capacity machines for growing families. In 1947, Hotpoint improved automatic washing convenience. The 1950s introduced twin-tub washers with separate wash and spin functions. In 1955, automatic wash cycles became more advanced and reliable. By 1958, Frigidaire washers gained popularity for performance and dependability. The 1960s saw top-load washers become a household standard. In 1965, portable washers provided flexibility for smaller homes. The 1970s focused on reducing water and energy consumption. In 1978, front-load washers improved cleaning while saving resources. The 1980s introduced digital controls for greater precision. In 1985, high-efficiency washers reduced electricity and water usage. In 1987, compact washers became ideal for apartments and small spaces. The 1990s introduced programmable wash settings for different fabrics. In 1993, quick wash technology shortened laundry time. In 1995, inverter motors improved efficiency and reduced noise. In 1997, steam washing enhanced stain removal and hygiene. By 1999, touch panel controls modernized the user experience. The 2000s made front-load washers popular around the world. In 2002, child lock systems improved household safety. In 2005, eco-friendly washers focused on environmental protection. In 2007, bubble wash technology improved detergent performance. The 2010s introduced smart diagnostic systems for easier maintenance. In 2012, Wi-Fi connectivity allowed remote control through smartphones. In 2015, auto-dose systems measured detergent automatically. In 2016, AI wash technology optimized settings based on laundry conditions. In 2017, voice control added hands-free operation. In 2018, AdWash technology allowed clothes to be added mid-cycle. In 2019, hygiene steam technology improved sanitization. In 2020, UV sanitization provided additional germ protection. In 2021, ultra-quiet technology reduced washing noise. In 2022, AI Fabric Care automatically adjusted settings for different materials. In 2023, smart home integration connected washers to home ecosystems. In 2024, Energy Star models reached higher efficiency standards. In 2025, personalized programs learned user habits and preferences. In 2026, next-generation smart washers are expected to become even more intelligent, self-cleaning, energy-efficient, and powered by advanced artificial intelligence.